As the AI revolution continues to gain momentum, companies worldwide are expanding their infrastructure at an unprecedented rate by constructing enormous data centers. Data centers are essential for storing, processing, and managing vast amounts of data generated every second. Their significance has grown exponentially as our dependence on digital solutions increases in both personal and professional spheres. In today's video, we will explore the 10 largest data centers around the globe. Number 1. The Switch SuperNAP in Nevada, a colossal data center owned by Switch. This digital behemoth is located in Las Vegas, a strategic choice due to its low risk of natural disasters. The facility is set to undergo significant expansion across a sprawling 1,000-acre site. This ambitious $1 billion project aims to cement Nevada's status as the most digitally connected state in the nation. Part of this expansion involves laying over 500 miles of fiber optic cables, linking Reno, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Data transmission between Reno and Las Vegas will be lightning fast, taking just 7 milliseconds, and enabling 50 million people to access data within 14 milliseconds. Switch, Inc., established in 2000 by Rob Roy, is the force behind the SuperNAP data center. In 2002, Roy purchased a former Enron facility in Nevada for around $930,000, capitalizing on its advantageous position over fiber optic cables. By 2008, Switch had unveiled its first SuperNAP facility, a $350 million venture. The primary campus in Las Vegas now includes 11 data centers, encompassing over 2 million square feet. Upon the project's completion, this campus will expand to more than 2.3 million square feet with a total of 12 buildings. These facilities are powered by 2 solar generation projects, Switch Station 1 and 2, which together produce over 179 megawatts of power. In 2015, Switch revealed a $4 billion expansion plan to establish a new data center campus east of Reno. This new site, known as the Citadel Campus at Tahoe Reno Industrial Center, spans over 1,000 acres and is projected to cover more than 7.2 million square feet once fully developed. The first data center at this location, Tahoe Reno 1, opened its doors in 2017, featuring over 1.3 million square feet of space with immense power and cooling capabilities. Number 2. Quincy Data Center in Quincy, Washington. Nestled in this typical agricultural town, a different kind of growth thrives amidst the farmlands and hay bales. Data centers. 5 major operators, including Intuit, Microsoft, Sabi Data Centers, Vantage Data Centers, and Yahoo, have set up significant operations in Quincy. Microsoft, in particular, has a vast campus with multiple data centers, currently expanding to cover 270 acres with its new Generation 5 data center. Initially, the data halls in Quincy contained 18 rows of IT equipment, consuming over 2.12 megawatts of power. Today, although these halls are only half full, they still draw the same amount of power. This is due to the installation of more efficient servers that provide greater resource availability. Traditional cooling techniques such as hot aisle and cold aisle containment are utilized in these early facilities and will continue to be used in newer generations. Additionally, innovations like Open Compute Project, OCP, compliant racks, and white-painted hardware are employed to further reduce temperatures within the data centers. The evolution of these data halls represents a significant shift. More powerful servers and improved designs lead to better performance without increasing the physical footprint. The blend of traditional and modern cooling methods ensures optimal temperatures, while strategic choices in hardware and design enhance overall efficiency. This juxtaposition of cutting-edge technology and a rural farm town highlights the transformative impact of data centers on both the local landscape and the broader technological infrastructure. In Quincy, data centers have become a cornerstone of the local economy, providing jobs and driving technological advancements. Number 3. Phoenix One Data Center. Initially constructed in 2005 for L Nature's Beverages, the Phoenix One Data Center found a new lease on life after the company filed for bankruptcy before fully occupying the building. This expansive facility spans over 530,000 square feet and includes over 88,000 square feet of premium office space, enabling it to serve as both a data center and a corporate headquarters. Tate, a company renowned for its raised flooring products, completed its largest single data center installation at Phoenix One, with a raised floor area covering more than 460,000 square feet. The power and cooling systems are strategically placed in equipment galleries along the facility's perimeter, and on a raised mezzanine, providing extensive, clear, raised floor colocation space. Phoenix One's first phase includes 4 separate data center pods, each offering about 45,000 square feet of space. The facility boasts 126,000 square feet of data floor space, 6 megawatt vaults, and Class A office space within its 2-story structure. The total critical IT load is an impressive 36 megawatts, with each vault featuring N+1 redundancy and 4 2-megawatt uninterrupted power supply UPS modules per 6 megawatt capacity. Additionally, the facility has a 24-hour fuel storage capacity and offers power densities up to 22 kilowatt per rack, alongside renewable energy options. The transformation of the Phoenix One data center from a beverage company's building into a state-of-the-art data center illustrates the adaptive reuse of commercial properties to meet the growing demands of the digital age. Number 4. NAP of the Americas. The Network Access Point of the Americas, commonly known as MIA-1, is a colossal 6-story, 750,000 square foot data center and internet exchange point located in Miami, Florida, and operated by Equinix. Situated at 50 Northeast 9th Street in downtown Miami, it ranks as one of the world's largest and most interconnected data centers in the United States. The NAP of the Americas is a vital hub for global data traffic, serving 160 network carriers and acting as a major pathway for data from the Caribbean, South and Central America, to over 150 countries. This facility also houses one of the K-roots of the Domain Name System, DNS, significantly bolstering global internet infrastructure. Positioned 32 feet above sea level, the NAP of the Americas is engineered to withstand Category 5 hurricane winds, ensuring operational resilience in extreme weather conditions. This data center provides access to 15 submarine cable landings and supports the U.S. Department of State's Diplomatic Telecommunications Service. Originally established to be a major hub for network traffic between the U.S. and Latin America, the facility was previously known as Verizon Terramark, operated by Terramark Worldwide, a Verizon Communications subsidiary. In 2016, Equinix acquired the building for approximately $3.6 billion, transforming it into the Miami International Business Exchange, IBX, data facility, also known as Equinix MI1 IBX. Today, the NAP of the Americas offers direct peering access to over 600 Equinix customers, including more than 160 enterprises and 35 network, cloud, and IT service providers, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and Oracle. Built in 2001, the NAP of the Americas has evolved into a centralized infrastructure utilized by over 183 networks. It is designated as a Tier 3 class facility, featuring redundant power and cooling systems. The power is guaranteed by 12 high-tech continuous power systems, offering a transfer rate 10 times better than typical battery-based UPS systems, and a medium-voltage switchgear fed by 3 independent 13,200-volt feeders. Constructed outside the FEMA 500-year flood zone, the building's structure includes 7-inch thick steel-reinforced concrete exterior panels designed to withstand Category 5 hurricane winds. The NAP of the Americas currently supports data exchange for over 160 global carriers, including companies like New Services, Voxility, Local Web, and Panama T, utilizing its extensive racks and servers. Before we reveal the last 3 data centers, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on other mega structures out there in the world. Number 5. The Tulip Data Center. The Tulip Data Center, nestled in Bangalore, India, boasts an expansive footprint of 1 million square feet and has proudly held the distinction of being the largest data center outside the US and Asia. Partnering closely with industry leader IBM, Tulip embarked on a visionary quest to create a state-of-the-art facility that would redefine benchmarks in data management and infrastructure. IBM's collaboration went beyond consultancy. They played a pivotal role in shaping every facet of the data center, implementing advanced cooling solutions and ensuring redundancy across all critical components. Their expertise permeates the facility, ensuring it operates at peak efficiency. One of the standout features of the Tulip data center is its closed containment cooling system, a technological marvel that optimizes energy efficiency by cooling individual rack compartments rather than entire rooms. This innovative approach not only enhances performance but also reduces operational costs, making it a sustainable choice in the industry. The center was meticulously constructed in compliance with the stringent Telecommunications Industry Association (TIA) 942 standard, covering aspects from spatial layout to cabling infrastructure and environmental conditions. Security and safety are paramount at Tulip. The facility is equipped with cutting-edge fire suppression systems, comprehensive surveillance cameras, and advanced access controls, providing a secure environment for sensitive data and operations. Its modular design and flexible infrastructure enable it to cater seamlessly to a diverse clientele, offering hosting, colocation, storage, and bandwidth services tailored to the needs of large enterprises and small to medium businesses alike. Beyond technical prowess, Tulip Data Center places a premium on client comfort and convenience. It features a range of amenities including meeting rooms, video conferencing facilities, and expansive town hall areas. Number 6. China Telecom Inner Mongolia Information Park. The China Telecom Inner Mongolia Information Park has been widely touted as the world's largest data center, located in He, Inner Mongolia. This monumental facility, reportedly costing $3 billion, is operated by Chinese state-owned telecommunications giant China Telecom. It purportedly spans an astounding 10 million square feet and consumes over 150 megawatts of energy through its 6 data halls. The exact dimensions and operational scope of this facility remain shrouded in uncertainty. Despite various claims regarding its size, China Telecom has neither confirmed nor denied these reports. According to analyses by Data Center Dynamics, satellite imagery reveals the presence of 6 four-story buildings within the park, each measuring approximately 300 feet in length and 155 feet in width. Calculations based on these dimensions suggest that each building covers just over 18,000 square feet, totaling slightly more than 1 million square feet for all 6 structures combined. Moreover, the satellite images do not provide definitive insights into how much of this space is utilized for actual data management purposes. This ambiguity extends to other large data centers in China, where claims about expansive facilities often outpace verified information. For instance, neighboring facilities purported to span 7.6 million square feet also face scrutiny when scrutinized via satellite. In the Chinese data center landscape, companies frequently outline ambitious expansion plans and potential capacities, often based on regulatory filings or investor presentations rather than current operational realities. This trend reflects the broader challenge of balancing supply with demand in China's data center market, particularly in regions like northeastern China, where an oversupply of facilities complicates growth projections. Number 7. Range International Information Group Data Center. The Range International Information Group Data Center, located in Langfang, China, is a beacon of technological innovation spanning an impressive 6.3 million square feet just south of Beijing. This state-of-the-art facility represents a collaboration between Range and IBM, setting new standards in cloud computing and data management. Partnering with IBM, Range International Information Group has developed advanced services tailored for both private enterprises and Chinese government agencies. IBM's involvement extends across design services, technology deployment, training programs, customized solutions, and business applications aimed at empowering users and driving economic growth in the region. The strategic partnership aims to elevate Langfang into a thriving IT hub, leveraging cutting-edge technology and comprehensive support to foster economic development. The ambitious project entails significant investments, with power consumption anticipated to peak at 150 megawatts. Despite these demands, Range International remains committed to advancing economic growth through technological innovation and robust infrastructure. These megastructures are marvels of modern engineering, showcasing the incredible scale and sophistication required to support our digital world.